How do you make a professional online teaching course? That is what my new course explains.
Hello, I'm Hugh Collingbourne, and in this course I'm going to guide you through the basics of how to get started with producing video courses online. They could be videos that are filmed of you speaking direct to camera, or they could be screencasts that are recorded from software on your computer. Now, in my first 18 months of teaching online, I sold more than $90,000 worth of courses, which astonished me more than anyone. And I acquired more than 4,000 students.
In this course, I'll explain all you need to know to get started with teaching online. I'll explain the cameras, the lighting, the microphones, and the secrets of how to present.
But I am not spending a fortune doing it. I haven't got a proper video studio. I'm just sitting in a room at home. But in this course, I will explain how to get started without a major investment. I've done it, so can you.
For more information on the You Can Teach Online course, as well as various programming courses, come to our website at bitwisecourses.com.